What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Crypto Airborne in the house, dropping you guys the latest and greatest cryptocurrency news and updates. Today's January 2nd, 2024. In today's video, we'll be doing a crypto market overview. I got some Bitcoin news for you guys, and then also internet computer updates. What is there to come? What are we going to see next for ICP? If you guys think that's interesting, stick around. I'll tell you all about it. All right, everyone, hopefully you're having a great day, a great night, wherever you guys are in this world. Happy New Year. It's the first video that I'm putting out for the new year. Hopefully you guys all enjoyed it with your friends and family, whoever that may be. But it's 2024. Let's start the grind off. Let's start the crypto journey that we have. 2024 is going to be insane in my opinion. So we got the Bitcoin halving. We got spot Bitcoin ETFs being approved. We got a whole slew of different things coming out. In today's video, just want to do a quick crypto market overview, just some hot news of the day, and talk a little bit about ICP. I know a lot of the new subscribers that I have in the channel are here for ICP, but if you watch some of my previous videos, I said that I usually do all, crypto market news, Bitcoin updates, but I got a little bit of ICP stuff for what's to come next if you guys want to stick around towards the end of the video. So before we begin, if you guys don't mind smashing that thumbs up button on the way in, consider subscribing. If you aren't, turn on the bell notifications so you get notified as soon as I upload a video. The easiest thing you guys can do to help support the channel. All right, so let's see. Let's just jump in. Oh, yeah. Actually, pinned comment. If you guys want to skip to whatever section you want, check the pinned comment down below. I put timestamps in all my videos for all your viewing pleasure and also throughout the video. So let's just jump right into it right now. So market is up about 0.84% the last 24 hours. We got Bitcoin up about 0.77%, sitting at 44,963. We got ETH down about 0.49%, sitting at 2,355. BNB's down a little bit. Solana's down about 1.34%. And Cardano down about 3.45%, sitting at 60 cents. Top gainers last 24 hours. We got Chrono.tech. Don't know what that is. Up about 31%. LCX up about 27.3%, sitting at 13 cents. And Scale up about 20.28%, sitting at just about 8.5 cents. Top losers, you got the last 24 hours. We got Bonk, the Solana meme coin, down about 9.09%. Muse is down about 8.81%, and Origin Trail down about 8.22%, set at 66 cents. Today is January 2nd, 2024. It is National Science Fiction Day. What else we got? 55 mile per hour speed limit day. There's some random holidays. If you guys are new to my channel, I like doing this for fun because every day there's some weird holiday or something crazy that you never would even think existed. But there's apparently a 55 mile per hour speed limit day. Ancestry Day, Happy New Year for Cats Day, National Cream Puff. Man, there's just like a bunch of crazy different things. National Personal Trainer Day. If you guys are a personal trainer, it's your national day. Swiss Cheese Day. I love cheese, but if it's one cheese I don't like, it's Swiss cheese, man. I don't know, my taste buds just don't like that. Take a look at the birthdays for January 2nd. Dax Shepard, I've heard of him. I know the comedian, actor dude. And that's it. I don't know the other people. All right, take a look at crypto bubbles for you visual people. Top 100. Kind of neutral out there. See a green, see a red. Let's jump right into my favorites. ICP. We did go down a little bit, which is completely healthy because we need a little retrace to keep going up. But man, it's just decided to pump again today. It's up 8.6% the last 24 hours, at $14.13. Everything else that I like is pretty much down except Bitcoin, up about 0.7% the last 24 hours. Fear and Greed Index dropped only about 1 point from a previous day, currently looking at about a 70. Be fearful when others are greedy, greedy when others are fearful. Always say that. Stock markets today, for the first of the year, for being open, all ended green. Actually, the pre-market did. The regular day, it looks like Dow Jones ended green, but S&P and NASDAQ ended red. But the pre-markets are looking green for tomorrow, the 3rd of January. Stock futures are a little changed after NASDAQ registers worst day since October. Wow. Let's see, what was NASDAQ? Down 245.41 points. Crazy. All right, jumping into the DXY, the US dollar index. If you guys follow my channel, I always put this out in every one of my videos. If the DXY is usually pumping, and this is the 1 hour chart, I'm going to go to the 4 hour real quick. If it's ever pumping, that's usually crypto and traditional markets are down and vice versa. However, it's not always the case, but it usually is. But it looks like the DXY has been pumping the last day or so, just trying to break through this Ichimoku cloud. It's a little overbought here on the 4-hour chart. So, traditional markets, at least, what was it? The NASDAQ and S&P were down for the day, but Dow Jones was up, and crypto markets, they were kind of neutral. So again, take this with a grain of salt when you guys do look at the DXY chart. But just one of those things that I use to look at when I trade. Total crypto market cap right now, currently looking at about 1.68 trillion. This is the 1-hour chart. I got to keep going back to the 4-hour chart, but kind of looks like we're doing a bull flag right here, kind of just going up and down, which is completely healthy. We are far away from that Ichimoku cloud, had an ascending triangle, which is playing out. So I wouldn't be too surprised. We came up, kind of retracing, healthy retrace, come down a little bit, then maybe we'll come back up. It all depends. We got these spot Bitcoin ETFs potentially coming out before January 10th, so you never know what could happen there. Jumping into Bitcoin right now, kind of looks like the total crypto market cap right now. Same thing, we got a bull flag going on, kind of far away from that Ichimoku cloud, completely healthy right now, 45,053. A little bit overbought here on the 2-hour chart. Let me just jump to the 4-hour. Same thing with the 4-hour chart, a little bit overbought here. But yeah, we have far away from that Ichimoku cloud. Symmetrical triangle we had did break out towards the end here, towards the squeeze. But again, we still probably could see a little downtrend here for Bitcoin. But again, the spot Bitcoin ETFs potentially being approved. Keep an eye on that. They said people are saying 80 to 90% chance we're going to get a yes from the SEC for all these spot Bitcoin ETFs they've submitted. BlackRock, Grayscale, all of these companies could take the price of Bitcoin in the crypto markets up. Some people are saying it's priced in. I don't know. I don't know. What do you guys think? What do you think? Do you think the spot Bitcoin ETFs are already in with this huge pump that we've had, or what? Let me know in the comments. All right, some Bitcoin news today. We've had Jim Cramer said you can't kill Bitcoin. That's it, folks. It's over. Sell your Bitcoin. If you don't know about Jim Cramer, he's the CNBC financial analyst, and there's a whole inverse Cramer. Whatever he usually says, the opposite happens. So people are saying, "Oh, you can't kill it." Well, we're going to see a big dump, and here it is, straight. Let's hear him. What he says right here is just kind of funny.
We're safe, and then the ETF. We continue to wait. Endless for the ETF, right. And look, it's very rare that I've ever seen that this way. Could it be a waiting for Godot? No, there won't be an ETF. But I do think that the people who are in it for that are going to use that as a chance to sell. But this thing is, you can't kill it.
No, you can't.
And the late Charlie Munger, who was so brilliant on so many things, was blind to this. Now you could say, wait a second, maybe it's all going to come
Jamie
unravel.
Dimon has not spared any negative words.
No, but look, it's a reality, and it's a technological marvel, and I think people have to start recognizing that it's here to stay. The SEC's been against it almost the whole time.
Yeah.
I like the way he talks, how the SEC's been away the whole time, but he's actually bullish now for Bitcoin, but hopefully the opposite doesn't happen and Bitcoin just keeps going up. Maybe we broke the inverse Cramer here. Who knows? But yeah.
Now, that doesn't mean that every one of these is here to stay, but I do think that this is a remarkable comeback that was unexpected, except for all the bulls who turned out to be right.
Gensler does a lot of jawboning.
Didn't work.
A lot of jawboning.
He wants people to be in ones.
But yeah, there you have it, folks. You had Jim Cramer, a lot of talk on Twitter and X today about this, and him saying that it's all over, folks. Sell your Bitcoin. But again, take that with a grain of salt. This time it might be different. Another big thing going on here in the crypto space, a lot of talk on Twitter, is this apparently went live at the beginning of the year. And if you're a U.S. citizen and get $10,000 or more in crypto, you have to report it to the IRS within 15 days or they can charge you with a felony starting now. They want your name, your address, social security number of the sender, and they're not telling you how to file or report it. Yay. And this is just one of those things that's going where they just put out all these crazy things, but they don't tell you exactly how to do it. And there's a lot of different things going out there. I didn't really dig too deep into this. And again, always get in touch with your financial or your accountant or financial advisor. I'm not one. Don't listen to me. None of this is financial advice, but this has been big, getting thrown around the internet. But apparently, this only applies to businesses. accepting crypto, not individuals. So that's huge right there. And again, correct me down in the comments if I'm wrong about that, but this was some big controversial news going around that did go live that the SEC said, but apparently this only is for businesses accepting crypto, not individuals. So that was the other thing. All right, so let's jump into the last thing today, and this is probably where the majority of you guys tuning in are here to see, is Internet Computer ICP. We're actually doing pretty well the last 24 hours. We're up about 9.1%. Had all the trolls making comments on my last videos, which are actually doing pretty well. So shout out to all you new subscribers for tuning in. I'm going to try to at least cover ICP in every one of my videos. But again, I'm not an ICP only channel. I do general crypto market news. Bitcoin's my main bag. I also talk about Elrond, which rebranded as Multiverse X and CKB Universe Network, and whatever else is hot out in the market, I'll maybe cover here and there. But again, ICP, the majority of you guys within the last couple days, last week or so, are probably here to tune in about. So actually not a lot of stuff happening with ICP the last week, just kind of like some price action movement to the downside. We did pump, a lot, but we're doing a healthy retrace. But today decided to pump back up. I do believe we did take over Shiba Inu again in the total market cap right now. We're looking at about 6.4 billion market cap. 24-hour trading volume is about 476 million. We take a look at the top of the charts right now. I do believe Internet Computer is number 18. Again, we're ahead of Shiba. A couple days ago we were ahead of Wrapped Bitcoin, but the big jump is going to be to Toncoin. If we can get a bigger market cap than Toncoin, we'll be up in the crazy with Chainlink and Polygon. Absolutely insane. But yeah, we've kind of bouncing back and forth between Shiba and Wrapped Bitcoin with the market cap right now currently. So it's good to see. Just as an FYI, jumping into the charts, not going to get too much technical analysis. It's pretty much just been running up, trading sideways, symmetrical triangle like a bull pennant. Traded up, nice little bounce up. We're either going to do a symmetrical triangle here, or we could do a bull pennant, but it's kind of like going into another symmetrical triangle, which is bullish pattern. So we are far away from the Ichimoku cloud. So I wouldn't be surprised if we started the trade in between, I don't know, that $14.80 to the $12.74. We bounce around a little bit, and then maybe we'll take a nice break to the upside here, at least until maybe around January 10th or so, or maybe even, who knows, if that spot Bitcoin ETF gets approved from the SEC, could see again this, the next couple days trade sideways and then do a nice little pump up again. So that's kind of like what I'm looking at. Again, nothing too crazy with technical analysis for ICP. All right, so all eyes on ICP. This is an explosive pump. Any news in the pipeline? This looks like a pre-news pump. We'll smash to 14 to 16 tonight, even though right now we're at $14. So what is to come with ICP? So we have many things coming. We got the CKUSDT, we got the CKUSDC coming, we got the CKERC20 coming up, which that could include, Chainlink, Tether, Shiba Inu, Wrapped Bitcoin, OMG, 0x, basic attention token, all that type of stuff that are built on the ERC20. So you can cross-chain this within the ICP ecosystem. Very fast, very little fees, huge. Next thing we got going up is the Rosetta upgrade for ICP token listings. So what is the Rosetta upgrade for ICP token listings? I'm not going to get into too much detail about this. And if you guys follow me or you're new to the channel, I like to keep things stupid simple. It's a saying that we always used to say in the military, KISS, keep it stupid simple. Rosetta upgrade for ICP token listings. What exactly does that mean? So if you like ICP, you should definitely look into the ecosystem. Because if you've noticed, there's not a single project of ICP that's currently listed on any centralized exchange, because it's not possible yet. So apparently this Rosetta API integration for ICRC-1 tokens, all these projects can be listed on the centralized exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, whatever centralized exchange. So if you ask yourself if you're early to any internet computer project, the answer is yes. And then this guy's tagging Dominic Williams in it. When can we expect the integration of Rosetta API? Not exact time when that's going to be. I was looking around Twitter, doing a little bit of research here and there. Some people are saying maybe, hopefully, by the end of January. So just by the end of the month, we'll see the integration. So then we'll start to see these different altcoins on ICP could potentially be listed onto huge exchanges like Coinbase and Binance. So that's what it is for the Rosetta upgrade for ICP. The next thing we have is the Bitfinity EVM. This gets a little too technical, a little bit, but like I said, I like to keep things stupid simple. So Bitfinity is a cross-chain EVM with smart contract extensions. Leveraging the internet computer's unique capabilities, devs can create groundbreaking projects across various sectors, from DeFi and prediction markets and voting and cross-chain communication solutions. So I was kind of looking around, didn't really see too much about this, but apparently this needs to happen so we can start seeing some more DeFi, some good DeFi exchanges and, you know, DEXs and just a lot of different more volume being moved around DeFi on the ICP ecosystem. So again, Bitfinity, the cross-chain EVM with smart contract extensions. It's a little bit too techy for me, but again, if you guys have any simpler way to explain that than this, please let me know down in the comments below. Truly do appreciate all the feedback from you guys, and smash that thumbs up button if you made it towards the end of the video. And I do want to keep it, I want to throw this at you guys at the end. One gem that's yet to garner its due attention is ICP. Considered the unsung hero in the crypto space, it stands out 3 groundbreaking innovations. While Bitcoin and ETH have had their run for years, ICP is just beginning its journey. For those with long-term perspective, there's a sense of being early to the game. The potential ahead is promising. ICP is poised to make a significant impact. I like this little comparison here. 2009 was cryptocurrency, the first invention, playing the role of digital gold. 2015, you had smart contracts. Ethereum was the second invention, powering the DeFi revolution. In 2020, you had the blockchain computer, third invention, reimagine how you would build everything. So who knows, maybe this is the next bull run. It's ICP's time to shine. All that crazy technology that we have coming, it just isn't getting the marketing that it should be. You know, I talked about this in my previous videos. You don't have all these big, massive influencers talking about this yet. Either they're scared to talk about it because of the technology. They either have their bags filled in other projects. And I don't know, man. It's just good to make some videos. Please share this video. So if you guys are holding bags of ICP like me, we're all here to make money. We're all here to make money. Just share the video. Smash that thumbs up for the algorithm. Get internet computer ICP. Get it out there. That's all I can say, guys. So again, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. A little bit. I tried to make this fast, but we're at 17 minutes. But yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys think. Again, not much craziness happened today, but I'll keep you guys posted. Next week should be crazy, especially if we get that spot Bitcoin ETF approval from the SEC. Could propel the market, or it could not. I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. But again, guys, thanks for tuning in. If you don't mind, smash that thumbs up button on your way out. Consider subscribing if you aren't. Turn on those bell notifications so you get notified as I upload video. Easiest thing you guys can do to help support the channel. Have a great rest of your day, rest of your night, wherever you are in this world. Stay safe out there. Crypto Airborne, out.